Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to create an Amazon account on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to make sure that you have downloaded the app. Well, after setting up your app, you can click create an account here. And then fill in the blank with your personal information, starting first and last name, email address, or your phone number, and then you can make a strong password. Okay, after that you can click on verify email and verify mobile number. Well, and then please enter the verification code which will be sent to your email address or your mobile number. Well, after successful, and then your Amazon account is successfully created. Well, that's the tutorial on how to create an Amazon account on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.